Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I ask Allah to accept our fasting of Ramadan and to accept our Eid prayers, as well as the prayers that we did throughout Ramadan. But most importantly, I'd just like to remind yourselves and remind myself that we aren't Ramadan Muslims, meaning that we worship Ramadan instead of the Lord of Ramadan. We are practicing fasting, praying, doing everything that we can in this month, giving charity, etc. Trying to earn more and more good deeds in this month. But it's not supposed to be ending at the end of the month. This is Eid, but it's not the end of the principles of Ramadan. The principles of Ramadan are ones of sharing, ones of patience. Fasting should purify us of ill feelings, bad feelings towards others. It should make us positive Muslims who think the best for Muslims and for ourselves. Ramadan is a training camp, an annual training camp. Organizations, institutions, etc. have training camps. They gather all of their workers together and they brainstorm, share, etc., and come back out renewed. That's Ramadan. The Ummah goes into training, intensive training for one whole month. But it's about the goal that we wanted to get from Ramadan, and not just the Ramadan itself. So we're not worshippers of Ramadan. We are worshippers in Ramadan, and we're worshiping for the Lord of Ramadan, but not worshiping Ramadan itself. So it's not a ritual, a blind ritual that we put on like a cloak at a certain time and take it off when it's no longer the time. Ramadan is a lifetime. We should be living Ramadan every day of our lives. So may Allah accept our Ramadan and accept the fasting and the prayers and everything connected to it, and make the year coming a year in which we were able to implement the principles of Ramadan, the Quran of Ramadan. Barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.